Turn it off. What the fuck are you at?
Stop! Look at that bald head, you motherfucking monk.
That's enough. No, come on. That's enough. I swear to God, if my shit gets broke, you're gonna have fucking problems.
My shit gets broke. We got issues.
Quit.
Nigga.
Get off the fucking couch like that.
It's not a couch, it's a futon. Monk. Fucking motherfucker. You hit like a pussy. World star. Pussy. Pussy.
Get the fuck out.